Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make red velvet fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and I thought I'd see if I could get the flavors of red velvet cake into a fudge. And I'm cutting the fudge into heart shapes because, of course, I am. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own red velvet fudge, along with suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 3 cups of white melting chocolate, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of red gel food coloring, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also used a lined 9x13 baking dish, 2 microwave-safe bowls, a couple of spatulas, and a heart-shaped cookie cutter. Okay, let's make some candy. Add half of the sweetened condensed milk and the cocoa powder to a bowl and stir until the powder is dissolved. Add the red gel food coloring and half of the white chocolate and microwave it in 30-second bursts, stirring after each until everything is melted and smooth. Pour the mixture into the lined pan and smooth it evenly. Place the pan in the freezer for 3 minutes to partially set. Remove the pan from the freezer and use a fork to very lightly scuff the surface. We're doing this to give the next layer something to grip so the layers don't separate when we cut out the hearts. Combine the remaining sweetened condensed milk, white chocolate, and the vanilla, then microwave just like the first layer. Gently pour the white layer over the red layer and spread it evenly. Let the pan rest on the counter for 15 minutes, then move it to the refrigerator until it's completely set. Remove it from the fridge and cut out as many heart shapes as you can get. Collect the scraps and mold them into shareable pieces so you don't waste any of that red velvet goodness. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. That is just right. It starts out a little dry, like an old-fashioned fudge, but then it melts into a smooth creaminess. The first flavor is a nice white chocolate fudge, but as you chew, that cocoa sneaks in and says, "Surprise!" If you want an easy treat that's sure to impress your Valentine, you really ought to try these. 2 tablespoons of